Hey guys, and welcome to my first video actually. Today I'm going to share kind of the company that I'm working for and kind of what I'm working on in this internship actually. It's a platform called OpenAPIHub. OpenAPIHub is an API marketplace, and an API marketplace basically means that I assume that if you're watching this video you probably know a thing or two about APIs, and basically this platform allows you to connect your API to users that maybe are not very good at coding, or just kind of want a sneak peek of what your API does without committing to getting an API key or something like that. So it basically allows you to promote your API very easily and very quickly. So I've created an account on the platform. I will say right now it's kind of in a soft launch period, so it's not fully polished, not fully finished yet, but I think that over the next few months, they've only worked on this for a year, so in the next few months it's really going to start to pick up the pace, and we're going to see more and more APIs on this platform. So I've actually picked out, I just want to kind of showcase what you can do basically. So once you start, you probably just want to try out a couple of APIs that they have, and most of the APIs are free, pretty much all of them as far as I know right now, and you can do some neat little things. It's pretty basic at the moment, but I think as the platform matures you'll get more and more complex and useful APIs. In order to use this color generated API that I've got pulled up here, it generates random colors. It takes a bunch of options. It's pretty cool, pretty neat. So someone has spent a lot of time working on this, and you can see that I am currently subscribed to this. Normally if you're not, you will click here and it will say that you're subscribed. Then once you have subscribed, we should be able to go here, and we can see the route that we want to query here. We can also get some samples here of what we might want to put in the request body. So we're actually gonna, right now we're gonna copy the request kind of example that they've provided, and we're gonna use that. Click try it out. Let's hope it works. Okay, awesome. So we wanted red and we wanted it to be bright. Count, let's see what count does. The number of colors we want to generate. Okay. We had the seed, so we provided kind of like a seed phrase for the random number generated, and which format we wanted to output, and I assume this is if we're using an alpha channel, so I'm not sure if this request uses it, but anyways, so now we get 3 random colors that are all kind of red-ish, and I bet if we copy one of these, let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah, I'd say that's pretty red. Let's look at the next one. Also red, so slightly different. I can see that it generates very similar ones, but the point is you can do a lot of different things with this. You can kind of tweak with the options, have some fun with it. And after I signed up, I did this in maybe 30 seconds. So it allows you to really quickly see what an API does. And obviously once you've kind of tested it out, you can download this file here, and if we inspect that in our trusty VS Code, we should be able to see, here we see servers that we can actually query it with. We can see the root. So this actually provides us all of the information we need to then be able to query this kind of programmatically, right? And we're not going to go through that in this video. This is more of just an overview. I want to show what this platform is capable of off the get-go. No code required, right? And at this point you might be thinking, okay, how can I kind of create my own portal, right? And an API portal basically is just a collection of APIs that you want to expose to people. And what you do is you click here on generate new portal, you fill in a display name. Right now, because we're still kind of in a soft launch phase, you can't directly publish it to the catalog, which is why they actually have almost 3,000 unlisted kind of APIs, because they're just not available yet. You can specify what industry we want, retail, and then you provide a quick description, and then you can click here and you can kind of go through the process. I've already kind of created a portal right here, so we're just going to check it out. They provide you with a neat guide of how to go through all the steps of setting up your API, but I've already done this, so I'm simply going to go through the process of creating a new API. We can call this one HK Walkability API. Let's make it, you can just call it audio video, doesn't matter, we can change it later. Description. Let's save that. First, we need to upload our API specification, and normally you will download this if it's kind of not your own API, but in my case I've already created an API that we'll go through in the next couple of episodes, and so we're going to use this OpenAPI file here. Upload that. Should go well. Perfect. And it's been accepted. After that, we're going to set the price, and don't worry, we're not gonna make it cost anything. We're gonna say let's do 1,000 calls every month. We're gonna say $0, so completely free. Hard limit. After we've enabled this plan, click save, and so now your users should be able to subscribe to this plan and query it basically. If we go through the settings, let's set it to internal and private for now. You can make it a partnered API, which allows other people to use it. And that should be really all that we need right now, kind of the bare minimum to get your API up and running. And if we view it in the marketplace, let's see, can we subscribe? Yep, we can subscribe for free. And if we click on endpoints now, yeah, so now you can use your API key, and then you can query your API that you've just kind of created. And this has been a very, very brief overview of kind of what you can do with this platform. Expect a lot more videos to come in the future about just all the projects I'm working on and really anything that I'm interested in sharing. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.